Let me show you how we can install AutoClicker on the new macOS. Forget about shady websites. Head straight to the App Store and search for OP AutoClicker. You will see this gray icon. That's the one we need. Click Get. And after a quick installation, you will be able to open up the AutoClicker where you can set up all of the properties. We can set up how often you want the autoclick to happen. You can even randomize that value. And then you can simply click Start. When you're using this for the first time, you will need to give permissions to the program in your system settings. Because the program going to click for you, you need to allow the program to kind of control your computer. You can use the search bar to search for your AutoClicker and click Open to add it to the list of allowed programs. With that setup out of the way, we can now back to the program itself and set up how often you want to autoclick to happen. Do you need left, right, or middle? Usually it's a left click and then simply click Start. And now the program is already clicking. Every 1 second I got left click on my mouse. You can click Stop to stop it. And that's it. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.